Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get sound on your MSI monitor. First, check if your MSI monitor actually has built-in speakers. Many MSI monitors, including several Optics Mag models, do not include speakers. Instead, they have a 3.5 mm audio jack for connecting headphones or external speakers. If your monitor has no built-in speakers, plug a headset into the monitor's headphone jack to check if audio is passing through correctly. Next, make sure you are using the right cable. HDMI and DisplayPort carry both video and audio signals. If you are using a VGA or DVI cable, sound will not be transmitted, so switch to HDMI or DisplayPort if possible. Now, open the Windows audio settings. Click the speaker icon in the bottom right corner of the taskbar. Then click the arrow or drop-down next to the volume slider to see all available audio output devices. Select your MSI monitor from the list. Depending on your graphics card, it may appear as NVIDIA High Definition Audio or AMD HDMI output instead of the monitor's name. After selecting the correct output device, increase the Windows volume to 100%. If you still do not hear any sound, restart your computer and test the audio again. Thanks for watching.